Guys, what's up? Welcome back to SUPERDESAISISTERS Sisters. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to show you how to make amazing DIYs out of old cassettes. I hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below. That would be so awesome. So the first DIY is a DIY desk organizer. It is a really easy DIY. You can make it with just two things, cassettes and glue gun. So first of all, we are going to stick the cassettes to make the base. So I am going to use 6 cassettes to make the base, and then I am going to stick the other cassettes at the boundary. My DIY desk organizer completed. It was really easy to make. You should try this at home. So I just used it to organize some of my stationery. The second DIY is the DIY stand. I use this as a stand, but you can also use it to store things. So first of all, I colored all my cassettes with acrylic paint. You can leave it without paint, but I just wanted to make it colorful, so I colored them. So I just took 4 cassettes of different color and stick them together like this. You just need to follow the steps which I am doing. For the base of my stand, I just used 2 cassettes and stuck them with the glue gun. So the second step, you need to take 4 more cassettes and stick them on the other cassettes. Use the stand to make it a pot stand. It turned out to be really amazing. So in the second way, I tried it like this and it turned out to be really amazing, guys. I just used the cassette film to make a little cute decor. It turned out to be really amazing and it was looking extremely beautiful.